nagiging argumento kasi dito ng defense, pawang rhetoric lang naman ang mga public pronouncements ng dating Pangulo, and they were taken out of context at wala namang intent si former President Duterte na pumatay doon sa kanyang war on drugs. Ano pong reaksyon ng palasyo doon?
Hindi, sa atin lang, siyempre, ito ay kanilang mga diskusyonan yan. Ang Pangulo naman at ang Ehekutibo ay hindi tayo makikialam kung anong argumento nila dito. Huwag lang nilang idadamay ang pangalan ng Pangulo dito at magsisinungaling sila. Kung ang argumento niya, pamumulitika ito, definitely not on our part, not on the part of the President. And kung sinasabi niya na taken out of context, maybe he should have reviewed all the admissions made by his own client under oath. It was done under oath before the Senate and before the House of Representatives. Ang daming mga admissions dyan. And even before the media and journalists, ang daming inadmit ng Pangulo. He should have studied them so that mas maganda ang kanyang depensa.